Hello, my dear students. Hoping that you all are fine. Today I am very happy to announce our new channel. Going to introduce our channel name is Albert Classes, and our intention to give you the better education in maths. So far I understand you have lots of problem in maths and you are finding difficulties in maths. To overcome difficulties and fear from your mind, I want to take your class through this channel. And with this idea, I just today going to start your chapter, that is of class 7. Right now I'll start this one. That is chapter 5, lines and angles. Okay, hello students. Now that is class 7 of chapter 5, that is lines and angles. I have taken some terms which are related to geometry, which is lines and angles. Before you understand lines and angles, I am just here to know this one: point, line, rays and line segment. What are this means? Then let's start from point. So what do you mean by point? Of course, each and everyone you know, point we are determining this one by using a dot. So dot represent what? Dot represent a point. Okay. Next comes to what? Point is over. Next comes to line. So how to define line? Just I am drawing a line. Line. Then what does it mean? Where is arrow sign given means we can extend this one as it is required. Even same as we can extend this side also. So that means a line which has no endpoints. No endpoints. We can name this one, say it is AB is a line, and we can name AB as it is line by using arrow sign. We have to show this one as a line. Next come to the point, that one is ray. What does it mean? Ray means it has one endpoint and another side we can extend this one as long as required. So that means is a ray. So how do you define ray? Ray which is one endpoint. Next come to line segment. Line segment means one. First I am taking 2 points are there. Okay. So these 2 points, say it is A and B. Alright. Now if we join these 2 points, we are getting line segment. How do you define line segment? Line segment means which is 2 endpoints. We cannot extend if it is required also. So in case of line segment, it is 2 endpoints are there. Now very important, this one, angle. Angle means one, 2 rays. Just I am drawing this figure. Having 2 rays, you see one common point is there, which is indicate angle. One common point, 2 rays. So this one is angle. So 2 points. So this one is A, and this one is B, and this one is say O. But how do you write this angle? We can write this angle A O B. So this is the, once you write, indicate any angle names, it must be middle. Okay. So this way you can write angle. So after that I will explain this one which are related to class 7, complementary angle and supplementary angle. Okay guys. Next one is there, complementary angle. So complementary angle means what? First you understand the meaning of complementary angle. That complementary angles, it is not a particular angle, it's a relationship between 2 angles. Just I am giving you one example. I am drawing a figure. Say one angle is there 40 degree and another angle is there 50 degree. So sum of these 2 angles, 40 degree plus 50 degree, getting 90 degree. So in case of complementary angle, you remember this one. In case of complementary angle, sum of two angles make 90 degree. Once sum of two angles make 90 degree, these two angles are known as complementary angle. These two angles are known as complementary angles. So for example, what is the complementary angle measure of 55 degree? See, if one angle is given 55, so its complementary angle 90 minus 55, that is 35 degree. Its complementary angle 35 degree. With this idea, we can find complementary angle of any angle. Next point is there. What do you mean by supplementary angle? Same as supplementary angle, also not a particular angle. It's a relationship between two angles. Once two angles make 180 degree, just such as example I am showing in figure. Say one angle is there 120 degree. So another angle must be there 60. Why 60? Because of 120 degree plus 60 degree becomes 180 degree. So once two angles make 180 degree together, then these two angles are known as supplementary angle. I think it's clear, complementary angle and supplementary angle. And how do you find? Say one angle is given 105 degree. So what is the measure of its supplementary angle? Its supplementary angle we can find 180 minus 105 degree, that is 75 degree is it supplementary angle. So with this concept we can find their complementary angle, supplementary angle. Okay guys, next one, adjacent angles. So adjacent angles, just I am drawing a figure. There are two angles, naming that angle 1 is there, this one is angle 2, and that common point is there O, and O is 1 ray, OB is 1 and OC is 1. So what you find there are two angles that common vertex is O, and out of these two angles, what is the common arms is there? OB is the common arm, a common ray. And this OA and OC, they are the non-common arms. So these non-common arms, what you observe, that lying opposite side, either side, means what? One is lying this side and another one is lying that side. So that is the non-common arm lie either side of common arms. Okay. So how do you write the adjacent angles are there? One angle is, can write BOC, another angle is AOB. So these two angles are adjacent angles. I think is it clear what do you mean by adjacent angles? So how do you define this one? That adjacent angle means having one common vertex and one common arm, and non-common arm lie either side of the common arm. Next point is there, very important, linear pair angles. Linear pair angles means what? Two adjacent angles. Okay. So I am showing there. One angle is this one, another angle is this one. These two, angle 1 and angle 2, these two are two adjacent angles, make 180 degree. Angle 1 plus 2 make 180 degree, means form a line. So this one is called linear pair angles. So so how do you define this one, linear pair angles? A pair of adjacent angles which make a line, their sum of these two angles is 180 degree. This one is known as linear pair angles. Next point is there, what do you mean by vertically opposite angles? So vertically opposite angles is very, very important. So first you understand, so there I am drawing a figure. There are two lines, okay, and we can name these two lines. One is L1, another is L2. These two lines intersect at a point, say this one is O, okay. Now vertically opposite angle means once two lines intersect at a point, opposite angles are formed. So this is one angle, this is another angle. These two are opposite to each other. Then again same as this is one angle and this one is another angle. So this is also opposite angle. So thus opposite angles are formed. These are known as vertically opposite angle. But in case of vertically opposite angle, one property you remember. So what is the property there? In case of vertically opposite angle, these angle measurements must be equal. Say if this one is 110, so this one also will be 110 as a opposite angle of two lines. And then this one 70 degree, this one also 70 degree, such that these two angles make 180 as it is line. So with this concept, we are having this knowledge, this one adjacent angle and linear pair angles and vertically opposite angles. So whatever I have taught today, I think these are the definitions you have to learn before start of this chapter. So then once you start the exercise questions, this knowledge will help you to do these sums. Okay students, I have explained this chapter. You have seen whatever you have understood, you are not, that is your choice. But one thing I am telling, if you like my explanation and if you understand whatever I have taught, then I am giving you one suggestion, that is you may subscribe my channel by pressing bell icon, and even one thing more, you can comments down so that I can see later on whatever queries and whatever your difficulties and whatever problems in your mind, and accordingly I will give you the answer. Just I am telling that one. You just get the notification whatever video I will upload there, and so that you can get more idea about this chapter and about your subject matters. Thank you students. Wish you all the best.